Good morning, students, and welcome to your English online lecture of Standard 2nd. Myself, Miss Pooja, and today you are going to learn subject English of Standard 2nd. So let us begin learning subject English. Standard 2nd subject English. So students, I request you all to open your English Bal Bharti textbook and also to carry a pencil with you for referring today's online lecture. So students, be ready with your textbook and a pencil with you. So students, here you can see the image of your English Bal Bharti textbook of Standard 2nd. So students, we are learning Unit 3. Let us learn a poem today in our today's online lecture. So students, we are going to learn the poem in our today's lecture. So before starting the poem, let us see the name of the poem. Unit 3, poem number 3.6, 5 Little Seeds. Okay, students, what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is 5 Little Seeds. Okay, so today we are going to learn poem number 3.6, 5 Little Seeds. So you can see the picture of a plant, sunlight, rain and 5 little seeds. What is seeds? Let us see what is seeds. Okay students, I am going to explain you what is seeds, and in this poem we are going to study about plants. How do plants grow? What all things plants need to grow? What are the major things that plant need to grow? So can you all tell me? Can you all name the things that plants needs to grow? बच्चों, आज की इस पोएम का नाम है 5 लिटिल सीड्स. सीड्स यानी बीज. जब हम बीज डालेंगे तभी क्या होगा? तभी झाड़ों में से धीरे धीरे जो झाड़ होते हैं वो बड़े होंगे. प्लांट हमारे फूल और फल हमें देंगे. तो पहले सबसे फर्स्ट स्टेप है सीड यानी बीज बोना, डालना. ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द 5 लिटिल सीड्स. द फर्स्ट स्टेप of planting is to put seeds. When we put seeds in the mud, then only slowly the buds in the plant will start growing, and then the plants will give us flowers and then the fruits. Okay, so can you all tell me what all things we need the plant to grow? So in this picture you can see the things that plant needs to grow. So students, you all know what are the things that plant require to grow. तो बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो एक झाड़ को बड़े होने के लिए, पौधे को बढ़ने के लिए, प्लांट को बड़ा होने के लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? द फर्स्ट थिंग इज सनलाइट. द नेक्स्ट इज रेन. Okay, rain, sunlight, water, wind, this all things are very much necessary for the plant to grow. When these things the plant will get, the plant will grow faster and bigger. Okay students, so how we need, our body needs food, yes or no? Food, water, then only what happens? Our height grows, our mind works. In the same way plants are also living things. Okay students, जैसे हमारे बॉडी को बच्चों पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, हम पानी पिए बिना नहीं रह सकते. पानी पीते हैं, खाना चाहिए हमें, और ये सारी चीज़ों के बिना हम सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते। उसी तरीके से प्लांट्स यानी झाड़ भी लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं, उन्हें भी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स द प्लांट नीड्स टू ग्रो? बच्चों, आपको पता चला होगा कि प्लांट्स को बड़े होने के लिए, ग्रोथ के लिए कौन कौन सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। एक है सनलाइट यानी धूप, दूसरा है वाटर, बारिश या रेनफॉल या वाटर पानी, और तीसरा है विंड हवा। ये सारी चीज़ें प्लांट्स को लगती है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज पोएम नाउ। Page number 42, poem number 3.6, 5 little seeds. Okay, so you can see the picture is shown. What are the seeds? You can see the seeds. बच्चों, आप seeds यानी बीज देख सकते हो। पिक्चर में बताया गया है brown color seeds are there. 5 little seeds. How many seeds are there? 5. So in this lesson, in this poem, we are going to learn 5 little seeds. Little means small, tiny. 5 seeds, as you can see, seeds. What are the seeds? The seeds, the thing that we put in the mud and then the plants start growing. So listen and recite the poem with the actions. Now you have to pay attention. I am going to explain you each paragraph and then I will sing the poem. You have to repeat the poem along with me. Okay, students? So first, we are going to see the meaning of the poem and then we are going to read the poem. So pay attention, fold your hands and listen carefully. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Okay, students, now in the first stanza in the poem it is said 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. They are saying 5 little seeds are there and 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers. The 3 seeds are going to make flowers. What are they going to make? They are going to make flowers. Okay, students? 3 will make flowers. So, from the 5 seeds, 3 seeds are going to make flowers. Means they are going to grow and flowers we are going to get, and 2 will make weeds. Now, what is the meaning of weeds? WEEDS. Weeds means unwanted wild plant that grow in the garden. Okay, that grow in the garden or fields. So now students, I am explaining you it in Hindi. 5 little seeds. बच्चों, हमारे पोएम का नाम है 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. इस पोएम में बताया गया है टोटल 5 सीड्स है. सीड्स यानी बीज. 3 विल मेक फ्लावर्स. 5 बीजों में से 3 बीजों से क्या होगा? फ्लावर्स आएंगे यानी फूल खिलेंगे. एंड 2 विल मेक वीड्स. और 2 सीड से, 2 बीजों से वीड्स यानी जो घास उगती है साइड साइड में, आप देख सकते हो. कभी कभी फील्ड्स यानी गार्डन्स और फील्ड्स में आप देख सकते हो कि प्लांट के आजू बाजू घास की तरह उगता है, तो उसे कहते हैं वीड्स. तो कहा गया है कि तीन सीड से फ्लावर्स होंगे और 2 सीड से वीड्स होंगे. वीड्स का मतलब है जो साइड में फूल पत्तों के प्लांट्स की जो घासें उगती है उसे कहते हैं वीड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द second paragraph. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Under the leaves. Now it is said in the poem under the leaves, under the snow. Under the leaves means you can see the plants are growing in the picture. So under the leaves, as the plants grow under the snow. What is snow? Snow, can anyone tell? Snow means in the morning dewdrops and snow. Dewdrops, what happens in the morning when you rise up early in the morning? The few dewdrops and the drops gets into the plant. Okay, so like snow in the winter season most of we come to see the snow यानी बर्फ. ओके, स्नो जैसे आप देखते हो ठंडी में फ्लावर्स पे ड्यू ड्रॉप्स पड़ते हैं, ओसो की बूंदे पड़ती है. उसी तरीके से इस पोएम में कहा गया है अंडर द लीव्स अंडर द स्नोज 5 लिटिल सीड्स आर वेटिंग टू ग्रो. जो 5 बीज है वो ग्रो यानी उगने के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. अंडर द लीव्स अंडर द स्नो 5 लिटिल सीड्स आर वेटिंग टू ग्रो. So have you all understood the second stanza of the poem? Now we are going to read the third stanza. We are going to see the meaning of third paragraph, third stanza of the poem. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Now it is said out comes the sun. When the sun comes, down comes a shower. Out comes the sun means on the top the rays of the sunlight falls on the plants, and down comes a shower. What is shower here? Shower means the rain falls, short rains. Okay, that is called as shower, not that shower we use while bathing, taking a bath. That is a different shower, students. Here the meaning of the shower is the rainfall. Okay, the rain that falls for a short time is called as flower. So when the sun comes, the sun rays fall, down comes a shower means the rainfall, also the few drops goes on the plants, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. And there they are telling that up come the 3 pretty pink flowers, and there the pink flower takes place. The pink flower grows. You can see here in the picture. Yes. So here sun is coming, out comes the sun, and what is the shower? You can see the picture, the clouds, the drops are falling on the plant, and then the 3 pink flower has come. What is the color of the flower? The color of the flower is pink in color. तो बच्चों, जब सन रेज होती है, जब सन रेज सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, प्लांट्स को ग्रो करने के लिए सनलाइट की ज़रूरत होती है. सनलाइट से ही प्लांट्स का ग्रोथ फास्ट होता है. तो कहा गया है आउट कम्स द सन. जब सूरज उगते हैं मॉर्निंग में, जब सन की रेस पड़ती है, डाउन कम्स अ शावर. शावर यानी बारिश की बूंदे. ओके, रेनफॉल, जो बारिश के जो हल्की हल्की बारिशें होती है उसे कहा गया है शावर. तो सन और शावर से वहाँ पर 3 फूल क्या होते हैं? ग्रो होते हैं. प्रिटी पिंक फ्लावर्स, एंड अप कम द 3 प्रिटी पिंक फ्लावर्स. आप देख सकते हो 3 पिंक कलर के फ्लावर्स क्या हुए हैं? ग्रो हुए हैं. नाउ द फोर्थ स्टैंजा. आउट कम्स द सन दैट एवरी प्लांट नीड्स, एंड अप कम 2 funny old weeds. Now in the fourth paragraph it is saying, it is been told in the poem, said in the poem that out comes the sun. When the sun comes, sun rays are important, as I have said you before, only for every plant to grow. So out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. आउट कम्स द सन. नाउ अब बच्चों आप देख सकते हो कि सन रेस हो गई है, और सभी प्लांट, कोई भी प्लांट हो, छोटा बड़ा, सभी झाड़ को, सभी पौधों को सन रेस की ज़रूरत है. सनलाइट के बिना प्लांट्स बड़े नहीं होते हैं, ग्रो नहीं होते, तो सभी को सनलाइट ज़रूरी होता है. एंड अप कम 2 फनी ओल्ड वीड्स. और कहा गया है लास्ट पैराग्राफ में, जब सन की रेस पड़ती है, सारे प्लांट्स को ज़रूरत है सन के रेस की। एंड अप कम टू फनी ओल्ड वीड्स, और दो वीड्स यानी आप देख सकते हो जो घास साइड में आते हैं छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स के, उसे कहते हैं वीड्स। तो यहाँ कहा गया है कि दो फनी वीड्स। फनी क्यों कहा गया है? फनी ओल्ड वीड्स यानी वो अपने आप ही वीड्स यानी अपने आप ही साइड में जो घासें उगती है खुद से उगती है, यस और नो, प्लांट्स के साइड में आप देख सकते हो, उसे कहते हैं ओ फनी ओल्ड वीड्स। फनी इसीलिए कहा गया है कि वो कैसे भी किसी भी तरीके से उगती है। आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में नीचे दिया गया है पिंक कलर फ्लावर के नीचे, वो कैसे भी देखो एक प्रॉपर आप देख सकते हो प्रॉपर प्लांट की तरह नहीं है, कैसे भी टर्न हुई है, इसीलिए कहा है फनी ओल्ड वीड्स। यू कैन सी द पिक्चर हाउ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड फनी, बिकॉज it has no shape, means it is not in the proper order as the flowers are in the picture. So funny old weeds means they are growing anywhere anyhow, okay, funny old weeds. So now again I am going to recite the poem, I am going to sing the poem, and we are going to learn the poem once again. So pay attention and you all have to repeat the poem along with me. Okay students, you all have to by heart the poem also. So for by hearting the poem, first you need to repeat the poem. So let us start poem number 3.6, 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. Okay students, again I am going to repeat one more time. So students, you all have to repeat along with me. बच्चों, मैं अब आपके लिए ही ये पोएम आपको रिसाइट करके यानी गा के सुना रही हूँ, तो आपको मेरे साथ ही रिपीट करना है। 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds. So students, here I hope so you have understood this poem 5 little seeds. Now we are going to see the dictation words. Look and say. Some words are given on page number 42, same page. You can see down the words are given in blue boxes. Let us see the words. Leaves, leaves. The first word is leaves. Everyone knows leaves. What is leaf? सभी को पता है लीव यानी पत्ते. Flowers. Second word is flowers. 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 Flowers means फूल. Okay बच्चों. Third word is seeds. SEEDS. Seeds यानी बीज. The next word is shower. 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 What is shower? Rain that falls for a short time. जो हल्की हल्की बारिश गिरती है उसे कहते हैं शावर, जो कुछ टाइम के लिए गिरती है. वीड्स. WEEDS. वीड्स. वीड्स यानी जो घासें उगती है प्लांट के आजू बाजू में साइड में अपने आप से उगती है, उसे कहते हैं वीड्स. द नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट. PLANT. प्लांट. प्लांट यानी पौधा. झाड़. Okay, then next is pretty, pretty, pretty यानी सुंदर, beautiful. The last one is waiting, waiting, waiting यानी किसी चीज़ का इंतज़ार करना. So students, here are the dictation words that you are going to write in your notebook, English notebook. I am going to give you these words to write in your English notebook. Now turn your page, come to page number 43. Page number 43. Look at the picture below. Name the parts of a plant. Now you can see the plant is shown to you all and the boxes are given and the arrows are shown. You have to name the parts of a plant. The help box is given to you all. बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए में आपको एक प्लांट दिया गया है और कुछ एरो और बॉक्सेस बनाए गए हैं. आपको उनके पार्ट्स के नाम लिखने हैं और साइड में आपको हेल्प के लिए बॉक्स दिया गया है. लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स. BUD बड, LEAF लीफ, FLOWER फ्लावर, FRUIT फ्रूट, STEM स्टेम, ROOT root, SEEDS seeds. Okay, this is a help box given to us. We have to write the parts of a plant. We have to name the parts. Now I have done it for you. So students, carry a pencil with you for naming. बच्चों, आपको आपकी पेंसिल हाथ में रखनी है. जैसे मैं आपको स्पेलिंग्स बोलते जाऊंगी आप आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखोगे. So students, are you all ready? So here you can see the parts. I have written the names of the parts of a plant. So let us write one by one. So here you can see the first one is bud. Okay, what is there given? It is given bud, BUD, bud. Okay, write the spelling BUD, bud. Now the small yellow color part you can see. Yes, before the flower grows the bud comes. Okay, so BUD, bud. The next is seeds. A tomato is given, what, and the arrow you can see, the seeds are shown. So SEEDS, seeds. I am showing you by doing the dot so that in that box you have to write. बच्चों, मैं इसीलिए आपको डॉट करके बता रही हूँ, वही बॉक्स में आपको लिखना है. द नेक्स्ट इज फ्रूट, FRUIT, फ्रूट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज डाउन यू कैन सी रूट, ROOT, रूट. This side, come on the left side, stem, STEM, stem. Okay, here you can see it is the stem, the main part of the plant, root and stem. Then the next one is leaf, LEAF, leaf. Everyone knows the leaf, yes. And on the top, flower, FLOWER, flower. So students, you are going to name the parts of a plant. You can copy from the video and write it in your textbook. Okay students, now the next question. The words seed, weed, need have two E letters in the middle. Find out some more meaningful words that have two E's in the middle. Now you can see that there are many boxes and in the middle box double E is given. So we have to make word, students. In that words, in the middle double E should come. Okay, we have to make words. In that words we can make different words using these letters as given, and in the between, in the middle of the word double E should come. Like example, see, they have given us example. So in the same way, SEED, seed. Okay, FEEL, feel, first and second example they have already given to us. Now you can see the third one, WEEK, week. Write in your textbook, week. Fourth one, KEEP, keep. Fifth one, DEEP, deep. Sixth one, SWEEP, sweep. Seventh one, JEEP, jeep. Eighth one, SWEET, sweet. Ninth one, FEED, field. 10th one, WEEP, weep. 11th one, PEEK, peak. And 12th one, SLEEP, sleep. So in all the words you can see double E are used. Okay students, so like this you have to write all the words. In the middle of the word double E should come. Okay, as you can see double E in every word I have used double E. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to make such words from the letters given below, and you have to see that double E should come in the between, in the middle. So here we have completed our page number 43. So students, this page you are going to complete page number 43, question number A and question number B. I hope that you have understood the poem 5 Little Seeds. You are going to recite the poem at your home. Thank you for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected for the next online lecture. Thank you.